I forgot the lid. I just wanted a smoothie, so I added a banana to my blender. Some sugar-free PB Fit peanut butter powder. It has 80% less fat than regular peanut butter, and it tastes amazing. Then I added these greens. They're superfood green powder, and they taste like peaches. And lastly, I put in this Bottle House Farms amazing mango no sugar added juice. It has 13 fruit servings per bottle, and I just love the flavor of it. So there I am. I'm all set, ready to go. Get my smoothie going, and I push the button, and this happened. I had mango juice everywhere. So then I forgot the lid, so I went looking for the lid. I looked all over in all the cabinets, underneath, around. Could not find the lid. So I went to Walmart. I'm perusing the aisle here looking for a good deal, something that would work in the home and also in my RV. This is a cute little one here. And I'm thinking there's a one has a little bit more bigger, and then the NutriBullet is way larger. But look at that price, $58? You gotta be kidding. I'm not going to spend that on a juicer. But there we go, on clearance, $17.50, the Magic Bullet Mini. I think we have a winner. Well, it makes all those luscious, yummy things. It looks like it'll work for me. It blends, it chops. Magic Bullet Mini it is. So I'm going to take that home and see how that works. So I put in what was left over from my first attempt, and I put in some frozen berries to make it nice and cold. Took off this easy lid, just rinse it off and it's clean. Stirred it up, a little bit of that green powder was stuck in there, and it's delicious. The Magic Bullet Mini is perfect, the perfect size and easy to clean up. So if you'd like a mini Magic Bullet, you can, well, I don't know how long they're going to be in the Walmart since it was a clearance item, so I'll find a link and put it down below so you can get yourself one for your RV travels. Please share this with your RV and casino loving friends, and I'll see you down the road.